This is BB Venture Art. I'm here to teach you how to make charges for your fascinator and your art, and tell you some tips to use in running the business of art. I've seen a lot of things on social media where people charges price, and what you can charge 10,000, some people charges 5,000, which is not right. Art. Look at this art. I use straw on it. I use cremolin. I use trim. I use my Alice band and rubber band to hold it at the back. Then look at what I used to cover it. I bought a fabric to cover the paper mat. Now, if I want to charge for this, how much does it cost? What you have to calculate is your straw. Some of us, we can have the straw at home. Some of us, we have to buy the new straw before we can design it. Cremolin. You buy a yard of cremolin to make this work. Then the cloth that I use to cover the paper mat, I have to buy a yard. Then I use paper mat underneath. Look at the paper mat. I use paper mat to mold. I put trim. What you need to do is to put all your resources together, because you are going to use stiffener, you use your wool gum, you use your wire, you're going to use your mold, your scissors, your cutter, every material that you use your money to buy it. Then let's assume, I'm not saying okay, charge for scissors, you don't need to charge for plier, but you have to charge for your wire. You charge for your wire. A yard of wire now is 150 naira. Then take your paper, write the list of what you use and the price of it, add it together. After adding all the costs together, then put your labor. Some of us will enter transport before we can get the material. Add your transport on it. After adding all the transport, then whatsoever it gives you, that is the price you are going to charge your customer. Some people will say, I don't know how to put labor. Then that means when you work, you don't know how much you can take after all your stress on the job. Start sitting down and make fascinator like this. How much can you give to yourself after you have finished working? This is shining design paper mat. A roll of it is 1,500 then, but now to be around 2,000 naira now. Before, when I make this art, I sell it 2,500, as small as it is, no feather, nothing. But now if I want to add my feather, I want to add my rose, and I want to put some accessory on it to make it more better than this. That means, as it is, if I had everything, it should be around 4,000 naira or 5,000. Look at this one. I use 2 rows on it with paper mat, my Alice band, my tree, and other things. The rose alone now is 700 naira, 350 per one. Unless if you buy it in wholesale price, then it will give you 300 naira. And how can somebody charge this one less to the cost of your material? This is art. I use paper mat to design it. Like this art before, I can sell it for 5. Sell it more than 4-5. Don't compare your work to another people's work, because what you are going to give me is different from what I will give you. Therefore, please calculate your cost, your transport, your labor before you charge the work of your heart. There's some work customer will bring for you. They will tell you, I want it exactly as it. I've been in this business for long. For somebody to snap American art or somebody art and send to you and say, make it. Please, you cannot make exactly what somebody else make. That is why you see a lot of mistakes. I book for this art, see what it give me. No, you can't make exactly what somebody else made, because you don't know whether that style is a mistake or is correct. What I mean, design that come out because of our mistakes, and that mistake, people like it. That is why you see that some design, you will not get it, because the person that make it, one way or the other, is either he made mistake or he didn't copy it well from where he or she gets the work, and you cannot get exactly what somebody else make. You can just try. Therefore, please, most of us are in the work of us. Let's tell our customers that always tell us, give me the same thing, give me the same thing. You can try to meet up, but you cannot give them exactly what that person make. For instance, the material is different and the quality is different. You'll be telling customer, I will make it like that for you. No. And at the end of the day, they will Google the art, they will Google it, and the price on it can be like 50,000, 100,000. And when they bring it to you, you will charge them 20,000 and they will still bring the price down to 10,000. Can it pay you? Tell them what you can make. There's no need to post somebody's work. Just try your own style. Bring your own style out. People will know you for what you know. I'm dropping this tip for beginners that just come into the work of art so that they will not make mistakes in charging. Thank you. Subscribe, like, and share.